Hello guys, welcome to 3D Home, and in today's tutorial we're showing you something very amazing. Okay, check out this side. All right, you can see some difference in level, unlike this one that is plain. But this one you can see some changes in terms of level. Right, so I'll be showing you guys how to do this real quick. So let's use this other building for that. Okay, let's use this one for that. There's a tool you'll be using which is known as the mesh tool. This is mesh tool, so this is what we'll be using. So click on that particular tool first, go into setting dialogs, change in the height. If you want it to be 600 1 meter, it depends on the height of that side. Okay, so let's go with 100, just 100. Okay, let's go with 100. Then now, since this space is just like kind of rectangular, all right, so let's make use of the rectangular shape, which is this one. All right, so leave it on this. Now click here because we're covering everything. Then from here, drag it backward to this other side, to this point. Yeah, so click OK. You can see the reflection of that particular side now. So before we take any other shape or before we raise any part upward, create some new node here, right? So click on this first line, click on this, select the side first, click on this blue line, all right? You see a provision for insert new node, all right? So click there. Let's drag it to this point. You can see the black point here now. All right, so let's create another one again. So from here, click on this one, create another node. This point, since we've created two nodes now, which is this first one, you can see the dark point here now, this point, and this other one. Now we need to raise this part up. Let's start from this inner line. This under this where this blue line is, click on this blue line now and select this particular one. You're saying this elevate mesh point. Click on that point. Let's lift this point up. So we're taking it from here to this point. So it depends on the height of that particular landscape. So let's click here. You can see the point here now. All right, now we have another point here, which is this one. Click on this one. Let's raise it up a little. You can see the difference. Okay, you can see the difference, and you can raise it higher than this. Okay, it all depends on what you want. Let's see like this. Yeah, so you can see the difference now. Although this is not a full contour tutorial, all right? So what will happen is I'll look for a design with contour dimensions, all right? So we'll use that one and create a perfect one, okay? A complete set with different levels that's based on the surveyor's contours lines, okay? So but for the major ones like this, these minor ones rather, maybe you're just trying to create difference in levels on your site just to kind of spicing your landscape. These are just the basic steps on how to do that, right? So thank you for your time, and if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. I'll attend to you. See you on our next tutorial.